Hello guys, welcome back to QuickSolve. Today I'll show you how to fix Steam not logging in even when you're using the correct password. First, make sure you're using your Steam account name, not your email address or profile name. If you've logged into Steam before, open File Explorer and go to the C drive. Then open Program Files x86, open the Steam folder, and then open the Config folder. Open the config file with Notepad, press Ctrl F, search for Account, and find your Steam account name. Use that account name to sign in. If you don't know your account name, click Help, then click I can't sign in. And then click I forgot my Steam account name or password. Enter your email address or phone number. Complete the verification process, and Steam will show your account name. Use that account name to log into Steam. That's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.